Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Coinbase account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a payment method from your Coinbase account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a payment method from your Coinbase account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Sometimes you switch over accounts or debit cards, and you don't want to accidentally use the old one. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Coinbase account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, in order to delete or remove a payment method, up here on the top right, you're going to click on your initial. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left center, and you want to scroll down until you see payment method. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the payment methods you might have already connected. So go ahead and choose the one you want to remove and click on the remove button. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this confirmation, delete account. Are you sure you want to remove this linked payment method? If so, click on the blue remove button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that payment method has been removed. So I can no longer purchase cryptocurrency in my Coinbase using that unless I come back in here and re-add it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a payment method from your Coinbase account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.